Dear student, let us continue our discussion on universal properties of NOR gate. In the last session we have studied universal property of NAND gate. In that we have realized AND, OR, NOT and XOR gate using NAND gate. Now in this session we are going to discuss the universal property of NOR gate. That means as just like NAND gate, we can construct or we can implement all other gates using NOR gate. That means any logic function can be implemented using only NOR gates. So let us look into the NOR gate. NOR gate symbol will be like this. It is a OR gate followed by a NOT gate. And the output expression for NOR gate is A or B whole bar. And the NOR gate is one whose output is high only when all the inputs are 0. And output will be 0 if any one of the input is high. Okay. This is the pin diagram of NOR gate. It is just opposite to NAND gate. You can observe here, they 1 and 2 were the inputs in NAND gate and 3 was the output. Here in NOR gate IC number is 7402. Okay, IC 7402 is a NOR gate IC where 7th pin and the 14th pin are used for the ground connection and power supply connection respectively, where 1 and 2 and 3 are the inputs of first NOR gate and 1 will be the output. Okay, and 5 and 6 are the inputs of second NOR gate and 4 will be the output. The same way 8 and 9 are the inputs, 10 will be the output, 11 and 12 are the inputs, 13 will be the output. So don't get confused here. If 2 and 3 are input, then it will not be like 12 and 13 other inputs. So be careful because it is very important from the point of laboratory even. In laboratory we will perform this experiment. We will realize the basic gates using NOR gate IC. That time we must be knowing which are the input pins and which are the output pins very well. Okay. In the examination, there may be question, write the pin diagram of NOR gate, write the pin diagram of NAND gate. That time also it will be asked for 2 marks. What is NOR gate? Write its pin diagram. What is NOR gate? Write its truth table. Something like that. Now, first we will discuss NOT gate. We will construct or we will realize NOT gate using NOR gate. Take a book and pen, draw the circuits, logic circuits along with me. If you practice only you can remember. So this is the NOR gate which is having 2 inputs. To construct a NOT gate we require only one NAND gate, right? In the same way to construct NOT gate we require only one NOR gate. Both the inputs, 2 input NOR gate it is, both the inputs are joined together and it will become a single input. Let the input be A, then the output will be A complement. See here both the inputs will be A and A, so output will be A or A whole complement, because the output of NOR gate will be, if A and B are the inputs, A or B whole bar will be the output of NOR gate. So it will be A plus A whole bar. If you split this using De Morgan's theorem, A bar into A bar. According to Boolean law, A into A is equal to A. So it will be A bar. The output of this gate will be A bar, which is the output of NOT gate. So this how we will construct the NOT gate using NOT gate. The second one, constructing OR gate using NOR gate. We have to write the truth table of NOT gate as well. You know very well, if A is the input, output will be A bar. 0 is the input, output is 1. If 1 is the input, output will be 0. So for OR gate, we require two NOR gates. If A and B are the inputs of this NOR gate, output will be A plus B whole bar, and this output is passed through a NOT gate, which is also a NOR gate. NOT gate, using NOR gate it is. So both the inputs of this NOR gate is joined, and the input will be A plus B whole bar. The output will be A plus B whole bar, whole bar. This is the NOT gate circuit. It is already implemented here. So output will be what? A double complement is A, like that. A plus B whole. Two complements gets cancels, will get A plus B, which is the output expression for OR gate. So truth table of OR gate is, you people know very well. If A and B are the inputs, for 0, 0, 0, for 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So if you give, after constructing this circuit, if you make both are 0, 0, you will get output 0. This can be constructed using this IC. These two, for example, 1, 2 and 3 are the open input terminals. We leave like that only, and 1 is connected to, if 2 and 3, here 1 is the output and 1 is connected to 4, 5 shorted. Sorry, not 4, 5, 5, 6 shorted. 5, 6 are the inputs and 4 will be the output connection, where you are going to connect a LED. LED will glow only when any one of the inputs are high. So you can prove the OR gate truth table using this circuit. We will construct this circuit using the IC 7402. There may be some understanding type question. How many NOR gates are required to construct OR gate? Your answer should be 2. So third one, AND gate using NOR gate. So that we require 3 NOR gates. if A and B are the inputs of these two gates, this is the NOT gate circuit. Output will be A complement. Here output will be B complement. So this A complement and B complement will be the two inputs of the third NOR gate. Here the output will be A complement plus B complement whole complement it is. Okay, so this can be expanded, splitted. This complement A double complement dot B double complement, it will be A dot B, which is the output of AND gate. So for AND gate, truth table goes like output will be A dot B for both the inputs low, output will be 0 and 0, 0, 1. Output will be high only when all the inputs are high. Okay. So this again constructing AND gate using IC 7402. I'll just tell you the pin number. This is 2 and 3. 1 will be this pin, and it is 5 and 6, 4. This 1 and 4 will be the inputs of the third. Any gates you can use. Third I will use. 1 should be connected to 8 and 4 should be connected to 9 and 10 will be the output, where you are going to connect the LED or voltmeter, anything. Okay. Now we will construct the fourth one, XNOR gate, using NOR gate. Even you can construct XOR gate, but here we will construct XNOR gate first. XNOR gate, for realizing XNOR gate using NOR gate, we require 4 NOR gates. Here A and B are the two inputs of this NOR gate. The output here will be A plus B whole bar, and here the input A, here input B, and for the other inputs A plus B whole bar will be the other inputs of these two gates. So here at this point I will get A plus B whole bar, because if A and B are the inputs, A or B whole bar it is. Here A and this A plus B whole bar are the inputs of this gate. A plus B bar whole bar. Okay, here B plus A plus B whole bar. If you understand this will be very easy, very interesting. Okay, logical thinking. And the output Y can be written as A plus B whole bar it is. This will be the one of the inputs, plus B plus A plus B bar whole bar. So we have to simplify this to get what should be our output. XNOR gate output should be A bar B bar plus AB. So truth table tells us if A and B are the inputs, Y is equal to A XNOR B. For 0 0 it is 1, for 0 1 it is 0, for 1 0 it is 0, for 1 1 it is 1. This is the truth table of XNOR gate. Here if you expand this and split this, then this plus will become dot. A plus B whole bar double complement dot B plus A plus B whole bar double bar. So we did split it so that plus has been removed and put dot. So double complement will get cancelled. Next step, A plus B whole bar dot B plus A plus B whole bar. So in the next step, I will just rub this truth table. Continuation of this, A plus, and if I split this bar, A bar dot B bar dot B plus A bar dot B bar. So if I expand this using distributive property of Boolean laws, A plus A bar A plus B bar dot B plus A bar B plus B bar. So this will be 1, this will be 1. So what I will get, A plus B bar into B plus, or you can even write A bar plus B. If I expand this, A into A bar plus AB plus A bar B bar plus, or you can just write B bar A bar only, no problem. The next step will continue. B bar B. This A into A bar will be 0, B into B bar will be 0. What I will get at the final? AB plus A bar B bar. B bar A bar can be written as A bar B bar, which is the output for the XNOR gate. Output will be AB plus A bar B bar. Okay. This is how we realize OR and NOT and XNOR gate using NOR gate. And how to realize the XOR gate. If you want to construct XOR gate, you have to connect one more NOR gate. That will be one more NOT gate using NOR gate. If this output, whatever we have obtained, if that is passed through a NOT gate, we will get the XOR gate. If you want, we'll just write this circuit. After that, you have to put a NOR gate to get the XOR gate. Okay. How to, we'll simplify that and see how that will be possible. See, this simplification you understood. At the output we have got this one. This is passed to the NOT gate then AB plus A bar B bar whole bar it will be. Once this input is passed through a NOT gate, it will be complemented. So AB whole bar dot A bar B bar whole bar it will be. So if I split this, A bar plus B bar dot A double bar plus B double bar. So A bar plus B bar, A plus B it will be. If I expand this, A bar dot A bar B, B bar A, B bar B. So this B bar B and A bar A will be 0. So Y is equal to A bar B plus A B bar, which is the output of XOR gate, can also be written as A XOR B. So you should be aware of De Morgan's theorem and Boolean laws very well. So it will be easy to analyze the all other gates, these concepts, implementing the basic gates using NAND and NOR gates. Okay. Any doubts, any clarifications, please text me. And we'll stop this today. Thank you.